Hello everyone, today I will talk about YouTube known issues, error loading monetization settings. If you have YouTube channel and if you go to your YouTube studio, you can see this error message. So why this problem happens? Many of you are getting tensed after seeing this problem because here is specially mentioned that monetization settings. So will it affect your YouTube monetization? So no tension for this. This is just a YouTube minor error. And this happens due to YouTube server error or YouTube's different type of technical error. That's why YouTube fails to retrieve real-time monetization information to you. When YouTube technical team fix this problem will be solved automatically. It will not affect your YouTube channel. And I have personally faced this problem so many times. And this solved automatically. I didn't do anything for this. Just wait and watch. It will take few hours to few days, and within few hours to few days it will be solved automatically. You don't need to do anything, and it will not affect your YouTube channel's monetization.